We're going to talk a little bit about Ovid shapes. These have a nice bulbous shape to them. I have only 3 examples to show you here, and there are some extreme Ovid jugs which come out and they're very bulbous and have a small, almost cap for the top of the jug. So we don't have an example to show you today, but we do have you 3 very nice examples of the Ovid shape. This one here from West Troy, this is a 4-gallon. It's a nice size. And then going down, this would be, this is unmarked. I would say it's close to a 4-gallon too if you look at it compared to this one. It's got a great design here with a splash of cobalt. This is a really nice piece of pottery. The arms, you can notice the ears are a little bit higher than on the ears here, even though it's about the same size. It's just a different type of design where you have an incised impression around the top of the ovoid jug here, and here you can see a ribbed design that goes all around the inside of the jug. That's just another example, and here we have one more smaller example to show you. This is a 2-gallon, and this one is from Ashfield, Mass, with a nice spray of cobalt decoration on it. This is, you can see the difference between this pot and this pot. The colors, there's a large variation in the color, which tells you that the clay probably came from a different area.